Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can compress video on an iPhone 14 series device. So, there are basically two scenarios: how to compress the video before filming it, or how to compress after you have recorded some clip. So, in case of trying to take some measures to prevent the size of videos that you're going to record in the future, you gotta open the camera settings. So just launch the general settings app. In here find the dedicated camera category and enter it. Then go for the record video field, or if you are looking to change the size, compress your future slow-mo videos or cinematic videos, you can go with their respective fields over here, but I'll just go for the default record video myself. So choose to what extent you're ready to sacrifice the quality and the FPS amount in order for the video to be compressed. As you can see right here, it says the approximate minute of video size that will take in your internal storage. So choose the compromise that you are ready to go for. Then you can also disable some of the options like HDR video too. As you can see, slightly decrease the space that it will take up in your phone memory, and that will be pretty much it. In case you have some video that you would like to compress on an iPhone that has been already filmed, and now you are trying to find a workaround, we recommend that you launch the App Store. Then just enter some video compress. Download any app that looks fine to you. I'll go with the one that is pretty much at the top with the most reviews of whopping 60. Then I'll launch this app. Grant this app the videos and gallery access. Choose what particular video I would like to compress. I'll go with this one that weighs 1.4 gigabytes, which is a lot, honestly. In here, by adjusting this little bar, you are changing the compression ratio. So the more you go to the right, the less compression it will do, but if you go to the left, it will increase the compression extent. So let's say we'll go to compress it all the way down to 16.5 megabytes to the 1% of its original size that it says over here. So you cannot get it any more compressed than that, I think. And after you have made your mind with the compression ratio, tap on this little save icon at the top right corner. Wait until the processing procedure will be finished. Alrighty, so the compression procedure has been successfully finalized. From here, you choose what you would like to do with your little video next. As you can see, it has already been saved to the gallery, so you'll find it over here. Let me show it to you real quick. As you can see, it is right here, and its size is 17.6 megabytes. Moreover, you can let me skip this little ad. Moreover, you can go into the More section, save it to files, for example, add to one of the shared albums you have, copy, send it to some app or some messenger if you would. Delete. You can also delete the original video, the original clip, or assign some new task. Alrighty, so that will be it. That will be as exhaustive as I can explain it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.